Beaver Stew Buddies! Welcome to my winter wonderland today. It's snowing in central Pennsylvania. Our pasture looks like the frozen tundra of Hoth. Well, today's the goats' due date, around now. And nobody gave birth yet. There ain't no kids running around. So hopefully they hold off a couple more days. Monday they're calling for nice weather. So it would be fantastic if they wouldn't kid till Monday or next week sometime, because it's cold. But it ain't too bad if you stay out of the wind. But the goats are eating like crazy, so they're not that close to giving birth yet. So once all our chores are done this morning, we're gonna make our lotion. We're gonna stay inside, stay warm, maybe watch a movie, drink some hot chocolate. The ducks don't mind this weather. They're the only ones that lay out in it when it snows. Sarah cleaned out the fridge last night, so the pigs are in heaven. They get regular pig food and they get slop out of the fridge. Hank Gingy, you love that old cheese. At least the dogs like this crap. Yaloons. She's a lunatic. Remind me not to say a single word when it's August and pushing 95 degrees and 100% humidity, because this sucks too. Maybe we'll go sleigh riding later. At least that's something to look forward to. Get all our crap together. Looks like a mess in here, but we'll get to it. 6 ounces of cocoa butter. 4 ounces of emulsifying wax. 6 ounces of coconut oil. 2 ounces of avocado oil. And 1 ounce of shea butter. And then we heat everything up with a double boiler until it all melts and works together. And then we put 40 ounces of goat milk in, and Sarah blends the crap out of it with her stick blender. You gotta keep it a little low on temperature so it blends good. And that's how we make lotion. There you go. That's what 1.5 gallons of raw goat milk makes. Made a bunch of unflavored lavender, vanilla, and eucalyptus. The first time we made lotion, we took got a recipe online, and we've tweaked it ever so much. Added this, added that, took in some shea butter out. We figured for us, we don't like how greasy shea butter makes our lotion, so we've just worked up our own recipe, and it's quite simple, but it works for us. Well, it quit snowing, but now it's blowing and drifting. It's blustery cold. Brr. So now we're waiting for my sister to make us custom labels for our lotion, so it looks a little more professional. We've been doing homemade Avery labels, which work. Give it that homemade, but we're trying to sell our lotion in stores, a couple local stores, so we want to look a little more professional. So as soon as she gets that done, we can get our labels looking good and our bottles looking real good and make something of it maybe.